Say hello to my little friend.
What's up guys, Tactical Llama here, and today we're going to be talking about the AW Carbine kit. So it is a high strength polymer construct, and it really is a plug and play carbine kit. It comes with an integrated front sight and adjustable rear sight, as well as a folding skeleton stock. There is multiple Picatinny rails on the 12, 3, 6, and 9 o'clock for your attachments and accessories, as well as an optic on top. It is lightweight and compact, so it's super easy to transport to and from games. And you can also get improved accuracy as you're able to shoulder this carbine kit and allowing you more control over your weapon. Okay, so we're going to disassemble this gun, ready to drop a pistol in. So what you do is you fold the stock. And at the bottom, you can see here, this is actually the tool for this carbine kit. So you pop that tool out, and then in the inside of the stock is where the screw is. So simply pop in your tool, loosen the said screw, and make sure you always put that tool back, otherwise you can lose it. It's not the end of the world, it is just a flat screw, but it is nice to have that tool with you at all times. So once that screw is out, you are disassembled and you are ready to put in your pistol. Okay, so we're going to drop the pistol in, and don't worry, it will be quite tight to squeeze that in. You want that so that it holds the pistol in place. You just got to find the right angle. Okay, so like I said, it's quite tight, and an easier way is to bring it down and push it into the cradle right in here. So let me show you one more time. So you bring it, kind of pull the pistol downward, and it will slide right in. Okay, then we put our stock back on, and then again our tool, we release it. And we tighten our screw. Now you don't need to over tighten it, but just snug enough. And then again, don't forget to pop your tool back in place. And you are ready to go. So in terms of compatibility with this carbine kit, the VX01 and 02 series both fit nicely. Our VX7 and VX9 unfortunately out of the box don't fit due to their extended beaver tail and thicker trigger guard. So they do need slight modification to fit. We also do have a few other brands that will fit, such as the WE series of pistols as well. What I really like about this pistol is that we do have the option to put all of these fun accessories on. When, you know, if you only have a pistol, you wouldn't have that option. So we also make use of all that real estate on the top Picatinny rail for a nice optic here. Got the Black Owl Gear red dot. Comes with a nice little mount here. And here you go. This is what we can do with this little Carbine kit. Fully kitted out. We've got a red dot, we've got a flashlight, we've got a laser. This is great. I love doing things like this. We even have a nice grip on the bottom here too.